While everyone focuses in finding the right investment idea or investment tips, everybody forgets that it is much more important to focus on the right investment category, introducing the concept of asset classes. So what exactly is an asset class? An asset class is basically a group of investment products that share the same characteristics. Legal characteristics, performance or return characteristics, risk or volatility characteristics, and objectives. So typically, when you think about asset class, you're thinking about stocks, Sukuk, real estate, commodities. And while you're wondering, okay, I need to find the right stocks or need to find the right Sukuk or the right commodities, you need to understand what are the factors that influence the performance or the behavior of each one of those categories. Growth will not have the same impact on stocks than on Sukuk, for example. Inflation, same, will not have the same impact. A strong dollar versus other currency will not have also the same impact. This is in terms of market and financial aspect, financial characteristics. But legal idiosyncrasies, legal characteristics also play a good part. For example, a stock that doesn't pay you the dividend that you expect doesn't have the same legal implication or legal ramification than a Sukuk that doesn't pay you the coupon that you are entitled to. It's completely different world that opens, a world of legal battle or legal negotiation in one case and basically biting the bullet and moving on in another case. There is also the valuation consideration. You are not going to value or estimate the value of stocks the same way you're going to do with a Sukuk or the same way you're going to do with real estate instruments. Again, particularities and idiosyncrasies of each of the asset class is paramount in order to build your right investment portfolio. So you have to educate yourself properly before making any sort of decision, investment decision, because you need to understand what are the important factors. If you anticipate growth or recession, you will favor certain type of asset class. If you anticipate inflation or deflation, then you will focus on certain asset classes. If you are anticipating an overall sentiment of confidence, of risk on appetite, how we call it in the professional world, then you will favor or you will focus on certain asset class and forget about others. All of those different factors that are global macro factors and specific factors of those asset class will determine, along with your investor profile, what are the asset class that you need to focus on. It's like basically you have to zoom out and not look for this specific investment idea or stock or company, Nvidia or Tesla or Sukuk issued by the government of Saudi Arabia, and more look into what do I expect and look into what are the major global macro factors that I anticipate for the next 6 to 12 months and what are the best asset classes that are going to respond favorably, meaning perform well, considering the global macro scenario that I anticipate. You will have done 85% of the work by following this type of process and not look for the all-timer or the one stock or the one investment idea or the one crypto that is going to make you rich.